Hey guys, Oscar here, and welcome to a new video. So today, as you can see, I'm going to be continuing my smashing series. So I got this old flip phone. It's my nana's old phone, and yeah, it doesn't work anymore. It used to be my phone. The SIM card slip popped out, but anyway, we're going to be smashing it. Okay, here we go. I'm too scared to get to the screen, probably. It's going to shadow all over, like the watch did. Oh, look at all the scuffing off the keyboard, if you guys can see. Oh my god, my tablet falls over all the time. Okay. Okay, yeah, I'm getting to see. Oh, I've got an idea. You hear that? It's saying put me out of my misery. Okay then. You asked for it. Look at that. If you can see. Okay. The screen is like popping off. Like, what the? I just literally snapped it in half. Well, it's fixed. It's a tiny flipper now. Good. By the way, I took the battery out because I don't want to die. Oh, wow. Never happened before with any of my smashing series. Just kidding, it has. It was a toaster phone, and now it's a toaster with a crack through it with a Samsung phone. Okay, anyway. Building a Samsung phone with a Samsung tablet. This is a very old one, but you probably knew that because it's flipped. Look at that back display. Oh yeah, get me. Give the in. Yep. You see my dog. Okay, look at that. Now let's finish with the front. There's glass here that my dad's gonna kill me for probably. Now, the back of that. And I already scratched it up before this video because I hated it. Oh wow, the screen's popping off. What a surprise. Surprise, surprise, the screen's... got that. Look at that. Lovely, right? Oh, there's the back display. Okay, if we peel off that, we get to that bit, which is all shattered. There's a speaker bit up there. Oh, there's that bit if you wanted to know. Display tech. There's this writing on there that says display tech. Oh wow. I'm gonna get... There's the speaker. I'll keep that as a magnet probably. Anyway. Or not. Oh, yes it is a magnet. It's sticking to my hammer. Get off my hand. Yeah, okay, just kidding, I didn't have a tablet. Anyway, we got that bit off. Continuing on with this bit. Look at the front bit. Dying. Wait, that display, you can't crack it. Okay, there's the real display. This is just the display cover. That's why it was so hard to crack, because it had a screen protecting thing on it that was built. Oh yeah, let's peel the display off. And I'm going to get cut so badly by the time this video ends. I don't care, as long as I get to kill this. That's the... Oh look, I think I got a text message. It says, put me out of my misery even more. Good. I will do that for you. That bit. There's always the speaker still. The speaker. Wait. Oh. I was about to say it won't die. Then it died. See? Anyway. There's a real display. Glass. There's a whole lot of dead glass. Okay, let's see if we can finally get this display covered a shutter. Like that. Exactly what I wanted. Oh look, there's a keyboard. I like the phone keyboards. They're for doing this with. Yeah, keyboard. I like keyboards. It can be a bend-up toy. Oh, look at this. Lovely. That's where the keys are supposed to be. Okay, let's do... Yeah. Let's type a text message. The keyboard bit still wants to be put out of its misery even more. This bit. I can burn that one day. One day, maybe, coming up on my channel soon, I will be burning this keyboard. Just kidding, that would be silly because it's made of plastic, so yeah, not allowed to do that. Oh, it's hot. And broken. Hot and broken. At least I took the battery out because I'm not dumb. Oh, wow. The OK key's popping out. It's popping its thing out. Anyway. Now, we need to type another text message. I think I got a message. Let's see if we can reply. I just have to put that there. Oh yeah, I think I see where that goes. There, that goes there. There, I think that bit goes in there, that bit goes in there. Okay, we can now reply to the text message. Okay, I think we must have replied by now. This bit wants putting out of its misery. Oh, look, it's still a flip phone. Flip. That bit needs putting out of its misery. Die. Oh, that hurt my finger. Oh, wow, look at that. Amazing. Then the volume key's starting to pop off. Is this as much as I can do? I think it is. Speaker. Oh, we are getting a phone call. We better see if we can answer it. Just need to put a battery in. I think that's where the keyboard went. I think it goes behind the keyboard. I think that's good enough to answer it, don't you? Hello? Yeah, it was just the phone. It wants to be put out of its misery even more. I don't know why it wants to be put out of its misery so much, but let's open it up. My dad, as you probably heard earlier in the video, wants me to put my safety goggles on. Do you think I'm doing that? No. If you guessed no, you were completely correct. Why would I want to do that? Because unsafe is fun. Oh, wow. Oh, my God. Open up. Okay, I think my tablet just fell down again. Okay, how long is this thing going for? It's not 9 minutes and 38 seconds. Maybe this is probably like my longest video yet on this YouTube channel. I have it. That's good. I've got a big mess to tidy up after this video. If I don't tidy up, Dad's going to kill me. Okay. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.